Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys can probably already see the little sneak peek of orange. And if you can't tell what these are the intakes for the G80 M3. So these are the RK Tunes intakes that I'm going to be installing today. So you guys are gonna follow along with me through this process today. And I just wanted to give a huge thank you to RK Tunes for sponsoring the intakes for me. And yeah, so I guess let's get to it. And you guys may be wondering, Autumn, why did you do a bright orange color? And that is because my interior is orange, if you guys haven't already seen it. And we're gonna be doing all orange accents on my khaki moss wrap. I wanna see one of these out of the bag, actually. Whew, that's bright. I like the contrast. You guys know how I just put that up to my mouth? Off camera, we ended the camera, but I looked inside of it and there's a spider in there. One of the reasons behind doing the intakes right now as the car is getting wrapped is because the bumper is already off for the wrap installation. So why not do it while the bumper is already off? Because the bumper has to come off anyways. So first step, the bumper goes away. Alrighty, folks, ladies and gentlemen, first step to this process is taking off this brace, and I'm using 15 mil for that.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So what I've been doing is loosen the clamps for the intakes, and then these boxes are in there with just like rubber thing, e-bobbers. I can't think of the word right now, it's too hot for this. You're literally just gonna, or I'll take this off first, and then you literally just yank this out. Like so. Oh, that just came off, so.
Take my eyes open to force reality.
So now with the clips out and the intake tubing out, we're gonna take these bad boys out. These Mama Jammas, they just come right out.
Now it's time.
Now all of the stock pieces are out, and I'm gonna start installing the intakes. All right guys, to show you a little overview of what we're gonna be cutting out here. What we're cutting out is this piece through here, so that this can go through there, and voila. I have opted out of the cutting of the plastic, so we're gonna have Josephine do it for you guys. You wanna show the people your safety is always first.
You're running over my Dremel.
Oh, sorry. So with the hole right here, we fed this through there, and not gonna lie, it's really, 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 really challenging. So, but now that that is in there, you're gonna take the filter and attach that to the front.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinny,
One side done.
then all the other days. Sometimes I
Here's the final product for the top, and then this feeds through to the front. All right, folks, we're moving on to the other side. All right, guys, here's the cutout for the right side and what that looks like, and then we're gonna feed it through here.
my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Some struggle. With a lot of struggle, we were able to get it through here. Now I'm just tightening down the two clamps. Here now. With that puppy on there, we're gonna go and put the filter on.
One way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music.
Last but not least,
Ready?
okay, I need you to hold this up, por favor. All right, so when we put that last piece in, we took off the headlight because it was just way easier and made it go by way faster. So now we're gonna put that back in, and then we're gonna clamp one of the top parts down, and then we'll be complete. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first startup.
Just picking up days. He's got one too many quarters in my pockets. Kinda like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Okay, that is the complete install of the RK Tunes intakes.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.